Hey guys, Jonathan Chapman Cook with JCC Piano Studio, and today we're going to be looking at Gotta Catch 'em All from Pokemon. Let's start by talking about our hand position here. Number one tip is going to be curved fingers for this, because we're using the thumbs and flat fingers or wiggly fingers aren't going to work so well. So curved fingers, just like you've got something circular like a ball or a cute squishy baby seal that looks awfully a lot like it could be a Pokemon. Oh, she likes being squished. That's what she's made for, it's a squishy. Anyways, so I want to imagine I have that ball in my hand for those curved fingers. All right, so our left hand's going to be 3 on F and 1 on A. Practice doing that a couple times. By the way, if you're a more advanced pianist and you want to just skip ahead to watch the whole run through, there's a time link at the top of the description. Just click on that, you'll hear me play the whole song. All right, right hand's going to be 1 on B flat, 2 on C, 3 on D, and 4 on E flat. Notice I'm not playing the C and D down here because I need my thumb to be on that, B flat. So don't be shy, just slide your fingers up in between those black keys and practice this hand position a bit. All right, once you're comfortable with that, we're ready to start. Here's part 1. I want to be the very best. And this is going to be 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, and then left hand 1, 3. That's D, 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 C, A, F. Here's how it looks. I'll do that a couple times so you can just pause it and watch again. You don't have to rewind. And one more time. All right. So next part's going to be 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, and that's D, D, C, B flat, C. Do that 3 times. Okay, third part. 1, 4, 4, 4, 3, 1, 1. That's B flat, E, E flat, E flat, D, B flat, B flat. I'll do this 3 times. All right, last part is right hand. 1, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2. B flat, D, D. Sorry, I'm saying the wrong note there. B flat, D, D, C, B flat, C. I said the wrong note. I apologize. B flat, D, D, C, B flat, D. There we go. Do that 3 times. All right, now here's the full run through. definitely recommend practicing that slowly and steadily for a while. And as it gets more and more comfortable, you can speed it up. Here's a medium speed. And once you're at that, you keep speeding up notch by notch, and then we get to our full speed. Okay, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit subscribe and a like, and leave a comment in the comment section. I'd love to see you back here for more. Also, if you learned this section of this piece using this tutorial, let me know that you want the next section, and then I'll make it for you. All right, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.